Very good morning, class students. I am Jagdish, your math teacher from Kakatiya High School. Today I am going to explain 10.2 exercise from menstruation chapter. Here is the question. A solid is in the form of a right circular cylinder. A solid is in the form of a right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at one end. So, to one end of the cylinder, one hemisphere there, and other end, a cone, and at the other end. See here, solution. Here, one solid there. That is in the shape of a cylinder. That is in the shape of a cylinder. So to this cylinder, one end, one hemisphere there. Another end, one cone there. A solid is in the shape of a cylinder. One end, one hemisphere is struck, and another end, one cone is struck. The radius of the common base, radius of the common base, radius of the common base means that is a radius to cylinder, that is a radius to hemisphere, and also that is a radius to cone. Why? Because these two are struck to two ends of the cylinder. What is the radius? Common base radius 8 centimeters. So here R is equal to 8 centimeters. Height of the cylindrical and conical portions. So height of the cylinder H is equal to 10 centimeters. Then height of the cone H is equal to 8 centimeters. Then find the surface area of the solid. Here one solid is in the shape of a cylinder, two ends. So to one end hemisphere there and also another end cone there. And what is the common base radius? 8 centimeters. Common base radius means that is the radius to cone, and that is the radius to hemisphere, and that is the radius to cylinder. Now you have to find the surface area of this solid. Here a solid is in the shape of a cylinder. One end cone is there and another end hemisphere is there. So what is the common base radius? R is equal to 8 centimeters. Then height of the cylindrical portion H is equal to 10 centimeters. And height of the conical portion H is equal to 6 centimeters. And the radius of the hemisphere R is equal to 8 centimeters. Now you have to find the surface area of the solid. So to find that I am taking one figure. First I am going to take hemisphere. So what is the hemisphere portion? Like this. Radius of the hemisphere R is equal to how much? 8 centimeters. Radius of the hemisphere R is equal to 8 centimeters. Now I need a surface area of hemisphere. I need a surface area of hemisphere. What is the formula that is to find? 2 pi r square. Surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So 2 into, what is the value of the pi? 22 by 7 into, r is nothing but 8 into 8. It is 44 into 64 by 7. 2 pi r. So after the calculation you get 2816 by 7 centimeters square. So surface area of the hemisphere is nothing but 2816 by 7 centimeters square. So here that solid is a combination of three figures. One is hemisphere, one is cylinder, and one is cone. So I completed surface area of the hemisphere. Next I am going to take cone. What are the dimensions of cone? I need what are the dimensions of cone? Radius and height and also standard. 3 dimensions I need. First, what is the radius of the cone? 8 centimeters. Why? Because that is a common base radius. And height of the cone is equal to 6 centimeters. Here I don't know slant height. Formula pi r l. Sir, to find the slant height of cone, what is the formula? L square is equal to r square plus h square. To find the slant height of a cone, what is the formula? L square is equal to r square plus h square. What is the radius here? 8 square plus 6 square is equal to 64 plus 36 is equal to 100 centimeter square. Then L is equal to under root of 100 is equal to 10 centimeters. So what is the slant height of the cone? 10 centimeters. Now I am going to find curved surfaces area of cone. What is the formula to find the pi r l? To find the curved surfaces area of cone, what is the formula? Pi r l. Pi means 22 by 7 into what is the value of the radius? 8 into 10 is equal to 22 into 80 by 7. 22 into 80 by 7 is nothing but 1760 by 7 centimeter square. So curved surface area of the cone 22 into 80 by 7 means 1760 by 7 centimeter square. So here I completed curved surface area of the cone. Next what I need? I need curved surface area of the cylinder. Why? Because that solid is combination of 3 figures. Next I am going to take cylinder portion. What is the radius of the cylinder? R is equal to 8 centimeters. That is a common base radius. And height of the cylinder h is equal to 10 centimeters. Next what I need? Curved surfaces area of cylinder. To find the curved surface area of the cylinder, what is the formula? 2 pi r h. 2 into what is the value of the pi? 22 by 7 into what is the radius here? 8 centimeters. Into height of 10 centimeters. It is 44 into 80 by 7. 44 into 80 by 7. Is 3520 by 7 centimeter square. So that is a combination of 3 figures. I completed curved surface area of the cone and also cylinder and also hemisphere. Now I need surfaces area of the solid. Surfaces area of given solid. To find the surface area of the given solid, you have to add curved surfaces area of this cone and also curved surface area of the cylinder and also curved surface area of the hemisphere. These 3 figures you have to add. Why I am not taking total surfaces? Well, because I can't compare this common part. So it is nothing but curved surfaces area hemisphere plus curved surfaces area cone plus curved surfaces area cylinder. From this, what is the curved surface area of the cone? Here, curved surface area of the hemisphere 1760 by 7 plus curved surface area of the cylinder 3520 by 7. 3520 by 7. Next I need curved surface area of the cone. Here 2816 by 7. Now these 3 are like fractions, so I am taking 7 as a common. So what is the remaining? 1760 plus 3520 plus 2816 plus 2816. So 1760 by 7 and also 3520 by 7 and also 2816 by 7. That all three are like fractions. So after adding the, what do you get? 8096 by 7. Now you have to divide 8096 by 7. You have to divide 8096 by 7. You will get the answer 1156.57 centimeters square. So here 1760 by 7 plus 3520 by 7 plus 2816 by 7. These three are like fractions. Why? Because denominator is equal. Then by adding that, what do you get? 8096 by 7. So you have to divide 8096 by 7. So if you divide you get the answer 1156.57 centimeters square. Next question, here another important question. 2 cubes. Here how many cubes are there? 2 cubes. Each of volume 64 centimeter cube. So volume of this cube is 64 centimeter cube and also volume of this cube is 64 centimeter cube. See, I know the volume of the 2 cubes, but I don't know the side of the cube. 2 cubes. Here 2 cubes are there. Volume of each cube is nothing but 64 centimeter cube. So I know the value of this cube and also I know the value of this cube. But I don't know what is the side of the 2 cubes. Value of cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. Let side of each cube is equal to 8 centimeters. So what is the formula to find value of cube? A cube is equal to 64. A cube is equal to 4 whole cube. A is equal to 4 centimeters. So side of this cube is 4 centimeters and also side of this cube is 4 centimeters. Now what is the here? 2 cubes are joined. Two cubes are joined. Here 2 cubes are joined. So after joining the 2 cubes, here what is formed? Cuboid. Resulting figure is cuboid. Resulting figure is cuboid. Then what about the length? 4 plus 4 is equal to, so here length of the cuboid is equal side of the first cube plus side of the second cube is equal to 8 centimeters. Here the measurement of length is changed. So here only 4 centimeters, but here 2 cubes are joined. So side of the first cube plus side of the second cube, that is nothing but length of the cuboid. Then height is equal to 4 centimeters and also breadth is equal to 4 centimeters. Now I need total surface area of the resulting figure. Total surface area cuboid. What is the formula? 2/2 LB plus BH plus LH. 2/2 LB means 8 into 4 plus BH means 4 into 4 plus 8 into 4 is equal to 2/2. 8 4s are 32 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 32. 2/2 32 plus 32 64 plus 16. How much it is? 80. 160 centimeters square. So surface area of the resulting cuboid is 160 centimeters square. Here 2 cubes are there with value 64 centimeter cube. If the 2 cubes are joined, so what is the result figure is cuboid. So length of the cuboid is 8 centimeters, breadth is 4 centimeters and height is 4 centimeters. So dear students, here is the today's homework. 2 cubes of each of value 125 centimeters square are joined end together. Find the surface area of the resulting figure. A cylinder and a cone have bases of equal radius and equal heights. find the ratio of the values.